outside of the spinal cord, okay? And so here are those, right here, these are the paravertebral ganglions right here, these pink things, going all the way down. You have them on the other side too, we just don't show them. You can see them extending all the way down into the sacrum, okay? But the nerves just come out to go to these from T1 through L2, so to get to these up here, they will travel up to them. That's the first nerve wall, and then synapse up here. So you need to know that that's what those are, and you need to know what's in those, okay? And so if I point to this and ask you, you might see a question, what is this and what's in it? And so you would tell me paravertebral ganglion and what's in it. You said it a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago. Sympathetic. So it would be the preganglionic nerve sympathetic synapsing with the postganglionic nerve. And then that nerve is going to go to the organ. Okay? So you also, on this, remember this is the spinal nerve right here. These were the rami right there. This here is the ganglion right there. Okay? That's the ganglion. This would be where the white and red rami communicantes is. We can't tell which is which, but that's where it would be. So we okay with this? Okay, good. Okie dokie. Now turn your book to page 35. We're going to lecture on Tuesday on endocrine, and we're going to look at it in lab today. So you're going to see the lab part first. There's not a lot to it. You can see those glands right there. First one's pituitary, then thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, thymus, testes and ovaries, and then other endocrine glands. And so you just got to know the location of them, and then I'm going to show you the slides, the ones that you need to know about slides. So starting with pituitary, you guys kind of know where that's at already, right? Right here, huh? This is the best model for it, is these half heads. So pituitary. We all okay with that one? Yeah, that's not too bad. Thyroid, you can see it right here on this guy. You guys see it there okay?
The butterfly looking thing.
Yeah. And then on this guy here, you can see half of it right here. See it here, you guys? So right there. So that's your thyroid gland. It's up in the neck here. Parathyroid are four little glands, two on each side of the thyroid that sit in the back. The only model where we see it is on these torsos. And if you look right back in here, you can see these two little dots right back here. I'll turn it towards you guys. See them back in there? Okay. If you don't see, make sure you look at that. Can you see them back in there?
It's way back, right?
Yeah, right back in here. Yeah, see them right back in there? Can you guys see them over there? These two back here. So you can see them on just one side. There'd be two on the other side also. Okay? So those are parathyroids. Adrenal glands, where are those at? Yeah, on top of the kidneys, you can see them here. These two yellow things right here. You guys see them there? See them over there? These two yellow things. Those are the adrenal glands. You can see them here on top of these kidneys here too. I'll take this out for a second. Here they are here, kind of more reddish tan. Right here. So those are the adrenal glands. The other place you see them is on this pancreatic model. Here they are here, and here. Adrenal glands. Okay? Next is pancreas, and here's the pancreas here. This is the first part of the small intestines, the duodenum, and it sits right in there in the head, and it attaches to the spleen. So this is your pancreas. Okay, you can see it there. On this guy, it's this right here. That's pancreas. And then on this guy, it's right here. You actually can take it out and look at it closer. This is the pancreas.
What does it do again?
We're going to get into that a whole bunch. It has endocrine and exocrine function. So we're going to see an endocrine that makes a couple of hormones. Exocrine, it makes digestive enzymes that are released in here and help digest food. So it's an endocrine and exocrine organ. It's a mixed organ, mixed gland. Thymus, the only place you see it is on these mannequins, and this is it right on top of the heart here. Okay? And so it's right below the sternum. And so this is your thymus right here. Okay? That's the only place we see the thymus on the models. Testes and ovaries, you guys know where those are at, don't you?
What was that?
So here's the male testes. We'll get into more detail on this in reproduction. Okay? And then here's an ovary here. Okay? So just need to know the location of them. Under other glands, you see pineal gland. We're going to talk about that in endocrine, and remember it's right here, that pink right there. That pineal gland. Okay? You have other glands. You've got glandular tissue or hormones secreted out of the kidneys, stomach, duodenum, and all those too. Okay? So any questions?